How to make a contact ring on Silent Android. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. Next, select Do Not Disturb. Turn it on. This mode silences all calls and notifications on your phone. Now, inside Do Not Disturb settings, look for an option called Call Notification or Allow Calls. Tap on it and choose one of these options: Nobody, Everybody, Contacts Only. Now go back and open your Contacts app. Select the contact you want to allow, then tap on the three dots in the top corner and choose Add to Favorites. Once you've done this, that contact will be able to ring even when your phone is on silent or in Do Not Disturb mode. Normally, when your phone is on silent mode, all sounds are muted completely. So this trick works best using Do Not Disturb mode with exceptions. And that's it. That's how you can make a contact ring even when your Android phone is on silent mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.